This is a huge day for Britney Spears and Britney Spears' parents. All three parties will be in court, and this is a battle over her conservatorship.
So it's complicated. I'm going to break this down. Britney is not doing well. You should know that going in, that her medicine stopped working. She stopped taking these medicines. Doctors are struggling to find the right combination. She went to a mental health facility for 30 days, did not come out great. She's having judgment issues. So with that backdrop, Lynn Spears has been reading online, that's her mom, reading online all these stories on social media that Jamie Spears, who has been Britney's conservator for 11 years, the dad, has been sending her to mental health facilities against her will, plying her with drugs. You should know none of that's true. He doesn't have the power to do that. But she's read that, and she, at the same time, looked at it and said, this is my opportunity to reestablish a relationship, because she's sort of been estranged from Britney for more than 10 years, and this is after her breakup with Justin Timberlake, Britney's, and Britney just kind of cut Lynn and others out of her life. So for the last more than a week, Lynn has been living with Britney, and what Lynn wants is she wants access to Britney's medical information, but, and here's the rub here, and the weird thing, she does not want to be part of the conservatorship. She doesn't want to be a co-conservator.
She doesn't want to be a co-conservator, but she wants to know everything that the conservators are deciding when it comes to Britney's medical treatment.
You might think that, you know, because she's a parent, she has that right, but the reality in the law is that the conservatorship trumps parental rights. That's why you have a conservatorship. So Jamie is not there as her father. Jamie is there as her conservator. And honestly, as a legal proposition, it's weird for Lynn to say, I want access to confidential information without being able to act on it.
This is going to be a bigger battle down the road. At some point, she's going to disagree with something the conservators are deciding for Britney, and then it's going to be a battle. And you're right, she's going to find out that the conservators have more legal rights.
And I do have some information about this. I mean, and this is what I'm being told by various people. I mean, look, the reality is that Britney has needed structure for these 11 years, and Jamie is a disciplinarian. So he's given her breadth in the conservatorship, but at the same time imposes rules. She doesn't like rules because she wants to be free, which you can understand, and Lynn has been more permissive, and that's why Britney, when she goes to court today, is going to be on Lynn's side.
The fact that she didn't want to be added on the conservatorship, just have access to the knowledge so she can be involved in the decisions is, you know, shows that she's just concerned.
Nobody's bad here. Nobody's bad here. The issue is, what do you do when you're a conservator and you've got another party who wants access? And then the question is, access to do what? And when you're not part of the conservatorship, the argument is, even though she's a parent, does she have a right to her adult child's medical information when there's a conservatorship? So I'm not seeing anything like this, and I don't know how the judge is going to decide this. But it's, again, nobody's done anything wrong. It's a weird situation to present to a judge.
Hi, Janelle from New York. How are you? My thing is that Lynn has not been in Britney's life for 15 years, and she's coming in now. And I'm wondering, one of the reasons that she might be coming in is because Jamie is sick, and her father. And maybe that's one of the reasons she feels that she needs to step in and try to get the medical information. Or maybe that's her way of getting in, saying, hey, I'm concerned about medical care, but the truth is I'm just trying to step into the next role because he is ill. The other conservator also has left, the lawyer. So there's only one person doing it, and the one person doing it is known to be sick right now.
Well, Janelle, I hear what you're saying. He was really sick.
He's getting better.
He's rebounded on this. So that made sense a couple of months ago, but he's gotten better.